I can't count the number of times I've heard my students say that they learned something on TikTok. If you're a teacher and you're thinking about trying to assess your students using apps like Instagram or TikTok, I highly recommend looking into adding short-form video assignments into your curriculum. These bite-sized videos tend to range from 1 to 3 minutes, and the goal of them is really to get students to distill information for a general audience. In essence, they become the teacher, and that's a proven method to get concepts to stick. If you're thinking about incorporating short-form video assignments, there are some things to consider. One of those is accessibility to software to edit those videos and the learning curve that's often involved with learning any new technology. I highly suggest reaching out to your school's campus media library or IT department, and also be sure to make sure that your students know where to access those resources in your syllabus. In this series, I'm going to dive into how you can add fun and creative video assessments into your coursework. Stay tuned for part 2.